Have you ever struggled to achieve your dreams and goals that you set out for? So I carried on doing some training, following this goal, but I was delaying registering for this marathon, which was on the 27th of August, last Sunday. And I kept coming up with these excuses. These things would come into my head all the time. Can I actually do this? Am I mad? Why am I doing this? What is the point in actually doing this? See, all of this chatter can actually go on in your head all the time. And you're asking yourself, well, what has this got to do with business? Well, hang around, because these strategies, not only to get me from the starting line to the end of the 42Ks, is the journey that I went through in my head over the preparation, but more the actual 42K run. And these are what was kicking in my head as I was going through and thinking, this is just the same as business. This is just the same as power gifting. This is just the same as any type of ideal or goal or strategy that you put into place, that if you can apply these things, preparing is the best way possible. So after all of these issues and challenges, which the bad thinking, the rain, the bad weather, the winter, in the end, comes down to the fact on that Saturday night, I prepared my shoes, my socks, my shake, my banana, got my training number ready, my running number ready. And at this point, the preparation was as best that it could be done. And I just had to base on the next morning, take away what I'd actually done already and say, that's where I am. I'm just going to go out and do it anyway. So your preparation is critical. And the better that you prepare, the better it's going to be, or the easier it'll be to get through those hurdles and issues that you're going to actually experience in that specific moment on that journey. So I got to the start. It was an early start, 6:30, still dark, cold. There was actually a rather chilly winter wind still in the air. Few thousand other people around me, and the energy was high, the motivation, the excitement. We were all stretching our legs and keeping warm and sharing stories and high fives and good luck. What's your time like? And all these things. So it was a wonderful gees and energy around all of this. And this start identifies how important it is to surround yourself with like-minded people. That's why you're here today. That's why you're listening to this recording. That's why you're part of a community. It is a lot more successful when you are part of a community of like-minded people to motivate you in those times when it's tough, to celebrate with you when you achieve a lot, and just to keep you going.